Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Matchbox More Cars 5-pack. At the back here it has a 1999 copyright. As we can see here, it's a 2000 release. I got some confusing information on the internet about this 5-pack, about what year it exactly was. Apparently there has been a 5-pack released with these 5 cars in it 3 years in a row, 99, 2000 and 2001, albeit at least 2 years that had a different deco, different colors, but nonetheless some confusing information, but I think it is clear to establish. We have seen it as a 2000 release. So let's take a look at the beauties inside. First up, the VW Beetle from 1962, very shiny chrome base, 1998 copyright, so at that time a fairly new casting. It has suspension, it's got a lot of deco, it's got a soft top in black. It's got some trim on the side, door handle, nothing in the back, and it's got the headlights and some trim on the front. So very well detailed all around except for the back. That's the way we like it. It's got the trailer hitch and a black interior. Next up is the Viper GTS in black. Kind of a, well, it's not metallic black, it's not flat black, but you know, it's not very shiny. 96 copyright, so 97 first release, so this is a little bit older. 159 scale. The Beetle is 158 scale, by the way. So this also has suspension. They all have the same wheels, by the way. I kind of like those. I know there's a lot of people who dislike them. So here we got tempered headlights, the Viper logo, taillights and the logos and name on the back, gray interior. These lighter interiors are easier to show on camera. Pretty nice steering wheel. And then these parts are plastic here too. Part of the windscreen probably. Cool casting. And then we got this Mustang. This is the 99 Mustang, and it has a 99 copyright, so this was fairly new at the time. Also has suspension. This is the first example I have as a convertible. So we got some side deco, we got the tail lights, we got some deco here on the canvas top, the horse, the pony, and nothing in the front. White interior, also nicely detailed. Cool. And then we got the Ferrari F50, 159 scale. Oh yeah, there is a scale on the Mustang. I was looking for it. 161, it's here at the top. Very hard to see. So 1995 copyright, so a little bit older casting. This does not seem to have suspension, no. It's got Ferrari on the side, the Scuderia logo. It's got the taillights painted. It almost seems like separate parts, but this is a black insert that is part of the base, because you see there's no rivet here in the back. So and they painted the taillights. That's very nicely done. And nothing in the front, it seems. Is that black part of the base too, because it's very shiny? I think it is. Although these little side black parts, they seem to be painted. But you can see the shiny bit in the middle must be part of the base probably, or the windscreen. Here's a little see-through window for the engine, black interior. And then the last one is another Mustang. It's the 68 Cobra Jet in 1:60 scale. This one doesn't have suspension either, so we got some side trim, nothing in the back, and just a stripe on the hood or bonnet, chrome grille and bumper. That's cool. Even the rocker panel is chrome and the interior is black. Very dark indeed. This is the only example I have of this one, first example, so that's cool. So let's take a look at some other examples I have of the other cars. So this is now the oldest example I have of the Beetle. This one that got pulled out the 5-pack just now from 2000. Also from 2000 is this one from the Storm Trackers 5-pack. Then we got this one from 2001 from Wings in the Water 5-pack. Then we got this one from 2006, a mainline. And then we got this one also from a 5-pack from 2007. And then we go to the Viper GTS. So this is the one I just pulled from the 5-pack. And I got another one, a mainline from that same year, from the year 2000. It's on an American card. Front and back. It's in gray. Or silver. Nice color. So, suspension. Got the taillights done. Got the Dodge badge. He's got the Viper name on the side. The logo. And a tan interior. Cool. Then we got the Mustang. So this is also the oldest version I got now for that casting. Also the only convertible I have, because this casting comes in two versions. This convertible, and then we got this hardtop version. This is from the year 2000 also. Also has suspension. Only side deco, nothing else. Mainline, and then also this mainline version. Also has a suspension. This is from 2001. Got the side deco and then also deco on top. 35th anniversary of the Mustang. And then we get the F50. And the only other version I have is this black one. This is a mainline from 1998. No suspension either. It's got the Scuderia logo on the side. And that's it. Red interior. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.